We have given mixed number. We need to change this mixed number to decimal and round to the hundredth and 10,000th. So first, when we have mixed number, whole number we always copy. So we need to change only this fraction to decimal number. We have 5 over 26. When we have to change this fraction to decimal number, we need to do division. We need to divide numerator by denominator. 5 divided by 26. We use long division. Our divisor is 26. And what else? Because cannot put 26 to 5. After 5 is whole number, so after 5 we can write decimal point, and because we need to round to 100th we need only 3 digits after decimal point, but 10,000th we need 5 digits after decimal point. So let me add 5 zeros after decimal point. Now let's do division. How many times we can put 26 to 5? 0, of course. 0 times 26 is 0. Subtraction 5 minus 0 is 5. We copy decimal point exactly in the same column. We have to take to the top and take down next digits. So we have 50 divided by 26 is 1. 1 times 26 is 26. Subtraction 0 minus 6 we cannot do, so we borrow 1 from 5, so it will be 4. We have 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. What next? We have to take down next digits, so it will be 0. So we have 240 divided by 26, this will be 9. 9 times 26 is 234. Subtraction. So it will be, we have to borrow 1 from 4, so it will be 3. And we have 10 minus 4 is 6. So next we have to take down next digit. We have 60 divided by 26, so it will be 2. 2 times 26 will be 52. Subtraction. So we will have 8. We have to take down next 0. So we have 80 divided by 26, so will be 3. 3 times 26 will be 78. Subtraction, so it will be 2. We have to take down next digit. So it will be 20 divided by 26. It's 0. 0 times 26 is 0. So we have 20. We don't have to do any more long division because we need to round to nearest thousandth. So it's enough when we have 5 digits after decimal point. So let's rewrite our mixed number. 8 and 5 over 26 is approximately equal because we didn't finish long division. 0, decimal point 1, 9, 2, 3, 0. And what else? When we need to run to 100th, we need to underline 100th. So this is second digits after decimal point. We have to check what is next is 2, and next is the digits less than 5. What we have to do? We have to copy exactly the same what we have, and we have to change every digit after our underlined digits to 0. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 9, 1, decimal point 0 we have to copy. So when we round to 100th, of course, we have whole number 8. So I should write here 8 decimal point 8 decimal point 19 will be. So when we round to 100th, the solution will be 8 decimal point 19. Now we need to round to 10,000th. So let me write this one more time. We have 8, 5 over 26. This is approximately equal. Don't forget about this whole number. This is 8. Decimal point we copy, and everything what we got on the top from long division. So 1, 9, 2, 3, 0. We have approximately symbol because we didn't finish long division. And next we have to underline place 10,000th. 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 is 3. So next we have to check what is after 3 is 0. When we have 0, this is less than 5, so we don't have to anything. We just copy everything what we have before our underlying digits and our underlying digits, and after underlying digits we have to change to 0, but we have 0 already here. So what it will be? 3291 decimal point 8. We don't have to write the 0 at the end. So my solution, when we round to 10,000, will be 8 decimal point 1923.